Okay, so now it's time for a Larkshead. No, it's not time to party. It's a Larkshead, which is also known as a cow hitch. And why a cow hitch when you're working on boats? I'm not sure, but those are the names for it. And it's really easy. You bend your line, you put it around a rail or wherever you're going to be putting it, and you pull the bitter ends through that bite, and there you go. And you have your Larkshead here. So you'll notice when you look at it that the lines are parallel to each other going through the bite. That's what makes it different than a clove hitch. Now I'm going to leave that Larkshead on there, and I'm going to grab just one bitter end here and show you what a clove hitch looks like. It's similar, kind of does a similar job, but it's a little different. So with your bitter end, you take your turn, cross over the top. Actually, let me show you this first, because there's a different way to tie this other than what I showed you. You go over the top, come back underneath the line, and there you have another Larkshead. So you can tie it either way. You can tie it with the whole line, or you can just tie part of it. Depends on your need. Clove hitch, you make your turn around the lifeline here. You come over the top on the left side of your bite there, and this space right here is where the bitter end is going to go. Now with this one, this is a little tricky. There it goes. With this one, you're going to notice that the lines right here underneath your bite are parallel, but one end is going this way and the other end is going that way. That's how you can tell if you tied the clove hitch correctly. So once again, we'll kind of talk you through it. Take a turn around your line, lifeline in this case. Go over the top. Notice that as you come up over here, you're on the right side of your turn. This time you're going to be on the left side of your turn. And right here in this opening is where your bitter end comes through. Then you just tighten it down. Be aware that if you put a lot of strain and work on a Larkshead or a clove hitch, it will work itself loose. So you have to be really mindful of that. How would you stop that? Well, that's pretty easy. You can do a double half hitch. So just bring the line around, make another bite like this, pass the bitter end through, do a second one. Now you have something that's secure. It's not going to work loose. So I'll show you that one more time. We've got the Larkshead. You're going to bring the bitter end underneath the standing part of the line. Tuck it in. There's a half hitch. And here's another half hitch. And there you have it.